In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project in Asana. Sharing a project is a simple way to make sure the right people can see what you're working on, collaborate with you, and stay up to date. I'll walk you through the whole process from inside Asana so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by opening Asana and navigating to the project you want to share. This could be any project in your workspace, a team roadmap, a marketing campaign, or a personal task list. Make sure you're actually inside the project view, not just on the home page or the list of all your projects. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the project name at the top and the tasks listed below. Once you're in the correct project, look toward the top of the screen near the project title. You should see a button or option labeled Share. This is usually found on the right side of the project header. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the sharing panel, which is where you decide who gets access to this project and how you want to invite them. Inside the sharing panel, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Use this if you want to invite specific people directly. Start typing the work email of the person or people you want to add. As you type, Asana may suggest existing teammates. When you see the correct person, select them. After you've added everyone you want, click the invite button to send the invitation. Those people will receive an email notification and will be able to open the project from there. If you prefer not to invite people one by one, or if you want to share the project quickly in a chat tool or another app, you can use a project link instead. In the same sharing panel, look for the option that says Copy Project Link. Click on that, and Asana will automatically copy a shareable link to your clipboard. From there, you can paste the link into an email, a message, or any place where your teammates can access it. That's all there is to it. By either